Welcome back, everyone. We're very excited. This is one of our first upgrades to the CVO ST. It is the saddlebag protectors, just to protect the paint in case I ever drop it, which hopefully will never happen. Let's take a look, see what we have here. I believe we're gonna have Harley install these. It's nothing pretty. It's literally just a box of parts. I'm not even gonna attempt to take this out. I'm just gonna bring it to them just like this. Let's see how it looks. Stay tuned. So we got lucky when we went to get them installed at the Harley-Davidson dealership. My new saddlebag lids came in, which is what I was waiting for to change these speakers out. These are the Stage II Rockford Fosgates that come on the CVO ST. You could see the silver rings and the silver badging. I wasn't a big fan of the look. The Stage IIIs have the way better badging, the little red emblem. And they also have the red rings inside, which you'll see in a minute. I had to buy the matching speaker lids with the speaker base. And then the Stage III speakers in the front, the Stage III speakers in the back. You need the wire harness. I'll link it all in the description if you want to check it out. This will be the last time we see these bags without speakers. Let's listen to the Stage II front fairing speakers alone and see how they sound. So you can see they didn't sound too bad. Let's say RIP to these saddlebag lids and see how the Stage III speakers sound. You can definitely hear they sound way better. You see the clean badging with the white and the red. You can see the red eagle eyes. I mean, you can't go wrong with these, especially if you have the red accents. Just a beautiful addition. You see the red rings in the front too. Makes me happy every time I just look down and see it. The red badging just matches everything nice. You see the red trim on the gas tank. These are the new saddlebag protectors. Definitely a good addition, protects everything. They match perfectly with the front engine guard protection that comes stock on the bike. See the end caps match perfectly. I love it. The Screaming Eagle script on the side. I mean, this bike is just gonna be out of control when we're done with it. Just wait and see what we're actually gonna do to this bike. You can see the saddle guards there, saddlebag guards, matching with the front. Screaming Eagle exhaust, that'll be coming off soon. Overall, we're super pleased. You see the grills, it looks much better already. The CVO ST on the rim. I hate the Brembo brake, black on black. We're gonna try to do something about that. I just feel like they did Brembo dirty by doing it black on black. It just blends in. For such a high performance piece, it should stand out, and we're gonna make sure that it does. Everything else is still stock. You see the nice red emblems, the beautiful red rings. I mean, I love this addition. So finally, we have our first couple upgrades done on the CVO ST. You cannot go wrong with some saddlebag protection. Definitely worth it. The upgraded speakers. We have the Saddleman seat coming. Can you guys guess what color it's gonna be? Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more upgrades. They'll definitely be coming soon. We can't wait. Subscribe, like, tell a friend. This thing is starting to come along. Let's see what we get into next. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, blessings, and positivity. Stay tuned for the next one. Hit that subscribe button. Let's keep on building.